ready?
Yes.
Action.
Oh, we're rolling. But what are we talking about?
I think the producers told me we're discussing all things hair, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So now you know, today Sanya and I are going to be discussing hair care essentials that every girl needs but ignores.
But before that, you know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel.
And ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Since this is going to be the first hair care essential, let's start with the basics. I think to be specific, everybody needs to invest in a detangling hairbrush over a regular comb. So what it does is, the detangling brush not just removes your knots and tangles, but it does so without tugging and pulling your hair, thereby minimizing damage. It also glides smoothly and gently through your hair, so you can use it on wet or dry hair. Even if you have long or thick hair, using the right hairbrush can make all the difference in improving the quality of your mane.
Okay, so this may not work for me, but I really want to see how this works on your hair. Just turn around, let me give it a go. How?
Told you.
It actually works. Okay, so the second hair care essential that every girl needs but ignores is a leave-on treatment. Now, what's a leave-on treatment? So basically, they're hair care products that help you add moisture to your hair, helps you detangle your hair easily, and also protect your hair from external damage. Now, if this sounds like something that you need in your hair kit, then let me go ahead and make a product recommendation for you. This is the Dove Hair Therapy Dry Scalp Care Leave-On Solution. Apply this leave-on solution as a pre-shampoo treatment 30 minutes before going for a hair wash.
And you guys, the best part about this product is that it's sulfate-free and the formula works on a cellular level. I don't know if you know about how sulfates work, but they tend to strip off the natural moisture of your scalp, thus making your hair dull, dry and brittle.
Plus, it has niacinamide that plays a vital role in growing long and strong hair due to its circulation boosting properties.
Now we get into the essentials of hair washing. Let me show you a tool that will work wonders on your scalp health. This is a scalp massager. Kiran, you want to tell them what it does?
Yeah. So basically, it's a scalp version of face rollers, if you know what I mean. Apart from giving that feel-good sensation on the head, these brushes help massage the scalp, lift scalp buildup, buff away dry, flaky skin, and also helps in boosting healthy hair growth. The possibilities are endless.
Wow, I think I need a quick scalp massage. Can you please do the honors?
Of course. So basically how I use it is that I press the massage on the scalp and then I start moving it in small circular motions. Now if you're using it on dry hair, then stick to massaging your scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes. But if you're doing it on wet hair while shampooing, then you should stick to 1 to 2 minutes. Just make sure that the pressure is very light. Anything rougher than that can really irritate your scalp.
Okay, so moving on, the next step is the whole intense repair hair washing range. We all know that pollution, daily wear and tear, bad hair washing habits, heat styling, chemical treatments, stress, all of that can end up making your hair dry, damaged and lifeless.
An intense repair hair product will help stimulate the natural regeneration of hair follicles, rebuild weakened and brittle hair fibers, and protect hair from future damage.
So a shampoo and conditioner that targets all of these concerns is a must-have in every girl's hair care essentials kit.
Here is the duo that we really love. This is the Dove Intense Repair Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. This duo is formulated to repair damaged hair with every wash. It has fiber actives and 1/4 moisturizing milk that nourishes the hair and will deeply repair damaged hair while giving you a smooth and soft, healthy mane.
And what makes this duo really stand out is that it has no parabens or dyes, making it a gentle yet effective solution for dry and damaged hair.
The next hair care tool that every girl needs but ignores has been a savior, especially for my curly hair. Any guesses? Here it is, a microfiber head wrap.
You're actually right, because what happens is most of us dry our hair with regular bath towels, but did you know that the rough texture of bath towels, it creates friction when rubbed against the hair? It breaks and tears your hair shafts, and this friction leads to frizzy halos and bushy split ends.
As the fine threads are more gentler and absorb the right amount of moisture from the hair and reduce the frizz, the result is smoother looking hair and more defined curls in my case.
Okay, so the next hair care product that every girl needs but ignores is a damage repair hair mask. We all know that the sun, chemical treatments, heat styling, and environmental pollutants can wreak havoc to your hair.
Simply shampooing and conditioning won't reverse the damage and dryness. You need a nourishing product that will condition your hair deeply and revive your lifeless tresses.
So treat your hair with a nice hair mask, like this one. This is the Dove Intense Damage Repair Hair Mask.
This hair mask contains 1/4 moisturizing cream and keratin actives. It deeply nourishes and repairs your damaged hair to make it healthy, soft and smooth.
I would recommend using this hair mask at least once or twice a week to revive your damaged tresses.
Lastly, post-shower hair care routine is super important. Do not ignore it. Hence, my last hair care essential is a hair serum.
A hair serum is a magical hair product that can solve a plethora of hair problems. It creates a protective layer that prevents environmental aggressors from damaging your hair.
This is the one that we've been loving. It's the Tresemme Gloss Ultimate Hair Serum.
What makes the serum stand out is that it combines hydration, nourishment, conditioning, styling, protection all in one bottle.
Don't forget that it also adds a whole lot of glossy shine to your hair as well.
Oh yes, of course. And thanks to the sunflower seed, coconut, macadamia nut oil infused in it that prevents hair breakage, dryness, frizz, and keeps the hair moisturized for 2 days straight. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our video about hair care essentials every girl needs but ignores, just as much as I enjoyed Kiran giving me a hair massage.
Make sure to try these tips and let us know in the comment section how they work for you. Time for us to leave, but before we go, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel.
And don't forget to ring the bell icon for further notifications.
Bye!
Good one!